Europe here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery production. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood for the community. There's three kinds of pottery. There's earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is low-fired. Stoneware and porcelain are high-fired. We specialize in stoneware. We fire at 2,350 degrees. From the mountains, we get the clay, test it at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water. We sieve it 4 times until it goes through a very fine mesh. When it goes through there, it's very, very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Pakita po namin ang paggawa with the demo fee of 200 for the whole group. Tapos kung may mag-hands-on, 100 per head. Okay po ba yan?
Okay.